Alright, just starting getting the zippos. It's my first zippo. Just says zippo on it. Doesn't have the glossy finish, has that rough looking finish. Pretty cool. Um, Learned some few tricks. There's pop top, put your two fingers right here, and kind of on the ends, and then you put your thumb in the middle, on the bottom, and push down. There you go, pop top. You end up just kind of sliding your fingers down. It's like here, slide your fingers down, and your thumb ends up coming right there. So if you do it fast enough, it pops open really easily. Um, and another one just to close it. We end up doing that one is you grab it right here, twist it around, just close it. Then another one that I'm trying to work on, you pop it down like that. Pretty much go like that. It's kind of hard though. It's a cool one. Um, I'll show you another one, another video. It's called no clue, but it's where you strike it on like pants, or you can strike it on a bunch of different things.